Think investing means picking the perfect moment? What if I told you there is a smarter way to do it? That is dollar cost averaging. With dollar cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount regularly, let's say $100, no matter if the market is up or down. In January, the price is high, so your $100 buys you one share. In February, the price drops, so your $100 buys you 2 shares. In March, prices rise again, so you buy 1.5 shares with the same $100. Over time, you pay an average price instead of guessing the perfect moment. In our example, over the course of 1 year, with $100 invested every month, we managed to buy 16 shares at an average price of $75. If we would have used our entire yearly budget and bought in January, for example, we would have had approximately 12 shares at an average price of $98 at the end of the year. Using dollar cost averaging, we reduced the risk of volatility and ended up with more shares and a lower average price. Dollar cost averaging is great for long-term investors who want consistency, not stress. It's simple. Invest regularly, ignore short-term noise, and stay consistent. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of dollar cost averaging and will help you in your investment journey. This is Brain Over Budget. Like and subscribe for more.